Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to rename a USB jump drive or thumb drive on a Windows 11 computer. Now, this is a great thing to do if you have multiple different jump drives for multiple different things. It keeps it really organized and it makes it so that you don't get confused between which one is for which. The first thing you're going to do is plug in the USB jump drive or thumb drive that you want to rename. So you're going to plug it into your computer. Now mine automatically opens as it just did. If yours doesn't automatically open, you'll have to go into File Explorer and go into the jump drive. As you can see in the tab at the top here, it says USB drive D. Down here it says USB drive D, and then under this PC we have USB drive D and USB drive D. So to change the name of the USB thumb drive or jump drive, all you have to do is go under this PC, find USB drive D, or whatever it's showing up as for you, find the drive, and then simply right-click on it and go to Rename. Press the backspace key. Type what you want to rename the USB thumb drive or jump drive to. I'm just going to call mine Voice Notes, so capital VOICE, space, capital NOTES. Once you have the name typed in, you can click anywhere outside of the text box and it should go out of it. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, it changes to Voice Notes in the tab at the top. It's Voice Notes D now. Down here, it still says USB drive D, but that's just because it has to update. Now, to get it to show up here, all you have to do is close File Explorer. I have tried reloading it, but it doesn't seem to work, so close it and then reopen File Explorer. And then if you go under this PC by clicking the arrow, it says Voice Notes D, Voice Notes D, and if I click into it, at the top it says Voice Notes D, and down here it now says Voice Notes D. So that is how you rename a USB thumb drive or jump drive using Windows 11. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future videos. And I will see you in my next video.